So I'm going to show how to deploy a database here on Neo4j Aura. Let's first create a database. Let's call it movie app. It can be just 1 GB and create. Let's save this password. And now we need to download our database dump. I recommend you to go to this URL, Neo4j Graph Examples Recommendations. Let's download this one. Now let's wait for our database to complete setting up. Now that we have our database set up, we can import our database dump in here and upload. It may take a few minutes until it imports the whole data. Okay, now we have our database fully loaded, and we can open with the Neo4j browser just to confirm. And there it is, our whole database of movies and actors. That's it for this part.